on you tonight. And now, we invite you to relax. Let us pull up a chair as the dining room proudly presents. Your dinner.
Hakuna Matata, what a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata, ain't no passing phrase.
There's no worries for the rest of the day.
Say it, kid. It's our problem.
Feel alive as it shines on the sea. It's flying free. No one knows how deep it goes, and it seems like it's calling out to me. So come find me and let me know what's beyond that line. Will I cross that line? The line inside the sea. It calls me, and no one knows before it goes. The wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me. One day I'll know how far I'll go.
Come to think of it, kid, honestly, I could go on and on. I could explain every natural phenomenon. The time, the grass, the ground. Oh, that was Maui just messing around. I killed an eel, I buried its guts. Sprouted a tree, now you got coconuts. What's the lesson? What is the takeaway? Don't mess with Maui when he's on a breakaway. And the tapestry here in my skin is a map of the victories I win. Look where I've been, I make everything happen. Look at that, me, Maui, just look at that. Well, anyway, let me say you're welcome. What a wonderful world you know. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. Well, come to think of it, I gotta go. Hey, it's okay to say you're welcome. 'Cause I'm gonna leave that boat. I'm saying away, you're welcome. 'Cause now we can do everything that's close.
Why are there so many songs about rainbows? And what's on the other side? Rainbows are visions, but only illusions. And rainbows have nothing to hide. So we've been told, and some choose to believe it. I know their wrong way and see. Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me.
It's supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious.
I was afraid to speak when I was just a lad. My father gave me nails a tweak and told me I was bad. But then one day I learned a word to say we ain't a nose.
The biggest word you ever heard, and this is how it goes. Oh,
Even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious. If you say it loud enough, you always sound precocious. Supercalifragilistic, that's the how it goes.
Here I go. Woo! Back up. Uh-oh. Watch out. You done wound me up. About to show you what I'm working with. Well, Alibaba, he had them 40 feet. Shahrazad had 1,000 tails. But master, you're in luck because up your sleeves you got a brand of magic never fails. You got some power in your corner now, and the ammunition in your camp. You got some punch my ass. And how? All you gotta do is rub that lamp, and then I'll say, Mr. will your pleasure be? Let me take your order, I'll jot it down. You ain't never had a friend like me. Life is your restaurant, and I'm your maitre d'. Now listen to me, whatever it is you want. I ain't never had a friend like me. Harry, listen to me. The human world, it's a mess. Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's dream. You dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more are you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Up on the shore they work all day. Out in the sun they slave away. While we devoting full time to floating under the sea.
If I were a rich man with $1 million or $2 million,
I'd live in a penthouse in a room with a view.
and if I were handsome,
No way.
it could happen, 'cause dreams do come true.